After our short walk from the grocery store down through the centrum of Oslo, we found ourselves at the Oslo's Harbour Promenade. Give this video a thumbs up on your way in if you see it helpful and enjoyable, and let's explore Oslo's harbor. Come on in. We are going to spend the next few minutes exploring Oslo's Harbour Promenade. A walk along Oslo's new urban adventure. This Harbour Promenade contains a pier with an adventure like no other. Soothing nature on one hand, while world-class architecture, culture, food on the other. The harbor is almost 10 kilometers, which is a half a mile, long. From beautiful parts of the new and the old, this experience is very scenic, beautiful, and open year-round, so have a comfortable pair of shoes. This brand new area has great views of the city and of the fjord. The Sorenga is a great place to start your trip. Favorite spot to enjoy the warmth. Every city or town that has a waterfront view has its own fisherman's wharf. Great place to walk along the water, easy to get around and take in the beautiful scenery. With music, ice cream, and even take in a bath or swim like we call it in the US. Or for us in the US, we call it swimming. Grab a fika, or coffee we call it, in the morning with breakfast or dinner at so many different types of restaurants, from Italian all the way to French. There are plenty of shops and restaurants and food trucks. Sometimes there are street performers as well. Great place to spend night or day. Well, give us a thumbs up on your way out if you enjoyed this content. And we are headed to a French breakfast. Come join us by subscribing so you don't miss out when that video is posted. And until next time, have a great day.